వీడియో చూసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే మీకు తెలిసిన వారికి షేర్ చేయండి. అబాండన్ వెర్బ్ విడిచిపెట్టు, వదిలిపెట్టు. టు లీవ్ సంబడి, ఎస్పెషల్లీ సంబడి యు ఆర్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ విత్ నో ఇంటెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ రిటర్నింగ్. The baby had been abandoned by its mother. The study showed a deep fear among the elderly of being abandoned to the care of strangers. To leave a thing or place, especially because it is impossible or dangerous to stay. Snow forced many drivers to abandon their vehicles. He gave the order to abandon ship. They had to abandon their lands to the invading forces. To stop doing something, especially before it is finished. They abandoned the match because of rain. She abandoned hope of any reconciliation. To stop supporting or helping somebody. To stop believing in something. The country abandoned its political leaders after the war. By 1920, he had abandoned his Marxist principles. To feel an emotion so strongly that you can feel nothing else. He abandoned himself to despair. Noun. An uncontrolled way of behaving that shows that somebody does not care what other people think. He signed checks with careless abandon.